currently I am teaching FSWD full stack web development. It consists of like HTML and CSS and then JavaScript. So HTML consists of your designing of your web pages. They didn't have any actions. When you come to the CSS, CSS style, when you require the styles on that particular page, it will be provided the CSS styles. And then we have any action we require. The jQuery will be operates your events. So HTML consists of like it's a like structure oriented. Currently we are using HTML5 version. So every opening tag should be closing with closing tag. So it's a connectivity of node structure. When you're opening any tag, it will be like communicating with your closing tag. Then only it will provide your output or whatever it may be. It will be display your content on your HTML page. So how it will be like this? First of all, what do you mean by HTML? It's a hypertext markup language. Then the tree root starts with your HTML and close with your HTML. When you consist of the structure HTML and then head and then your title, close your title. This is the major cause of your HTML. How it will be performed like this? It's like a page. When you're displaying something else into your system, it displays your page. Any action or any header or any para, you need to write here. Instead of this title, display. So it gives you like display. Then after you want to give something else for the para. It displays like this. So we are displaying here the content only. Currently we are using doc type. This is HTML5 version. Then after it starts your HTML. Then here, what kind of like web pages you require? You are creating here dynamic web pages. Earlier we created static, currently we are creating the dynamic because of this language support. So, how the CSS will be works? CSS stands for your cascading style sheets. It represents like inline, internal, external. So inline is within the tag we can use. Internal means we can use like tag through representation of your programming, and external will like we can use the extension of CSS. So these are the kinds of CSS mainly used for your background, a border, and font size, alignment. These are the major elements of your CSS. So these will be comes under your background portion. How we can accumulate this? What are the actions we require? Then JS will becomes the picture. So the event action, that is your event handler here. What is JavaScript? It's mainly used for the action triggered events. How it will be triggered? So first I want to consider the mouse events. Mouse events consist of left, right, and a drag, drop, and a pointer. These are considered mouse events. Thank you.